everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum pipe manual quick pipe cutting operation. The materials and tools are aluminum pipe deburrer, manual pipe cutter, tape measure, marker, aluminum pipe. Use a tape measure and a marker to mark the cut position on the DN50 aluminum pipe. Put the manual pipe cutter into the marked cutting position. Push the knife edge to the cutting position and fix it. Then rotate and tighten the manual pipe cutter to cut until the pipe is cut. Insert the cut pipe into the aluminum pipe deburrer. Pay attention to the aluminum pipe and the deburrer to form an inclination of 0 to 10 degrees and rotate to remove the internal and external burrs entirely. Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum push and fit pipe-to-pipe connector operation. The materials and tools are aluminum pipes, adjustable wrenches, pipe-to-pipe connector, hex wrench, tape measure, marker, lubricant. Use the tape measure to mark the insertion depth on the aluminum pipe. Disassemble the connector. Take out the spare parts in turn. Apply the lubricant evenly. Insert the aluminum pipe into the gear ring nut first. Then place the inner parts, aluminum gasket, and sealing ring in turn. Insert into the main body and tighten it after pushing it to the bottom. Using the same method on the other side. Then tighten the connector again with the adjustable wrench. Use the hex wrench to tighten the mini screws and check that the marking line is inside the connector. The installation is completed. Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum clamp type pipe-to-pipe connector operation. The materials and tools are scissors, electric impact wrench, aluminum pipes, pipe-to-pipe connector, lubricant. Cut the belt with scissors. Disassemble the upper and lower clamps. Take out the sealing sleeve and apply the lubricant to the sealing ring inside the sealing sleeve. Insert the grooved aluminum pipe into the sealing sleeve. Put the sleeve into the lower clamp and then cover the upper clamp. Insert the bolts sequentially from the upper clamp. and tighten the 4 bolts in diagonal order. And the installation is completed. Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum quick drop operation. The materials and tools are electric impact wrench, rotary hammer, quick drop, marker, file, hole deburrer, aluminum pipe. Use an electric impact wrench to loosen and take out the bolts of the quick drop. Put the quick drop on the pipe, with the positioning side facing up. And mark the position of the inner circle of the positioning surface with a marker. Use a ruler to measure the center of the inner circle and mark it. Use a drilling tool to open a hole at the marked position. After the hole is opened, use a hole deburrer to deburr it. After the deburring is completed, use a file tool to polish it until there is no burr. Install the quick drop on the pipe. Fix the sealing ring. Align the limit slot into the hole. Tighten the bolts. Then the installation is completed. Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today we will bring you the FSTpipe electric grooving machine operation. The materials and tools are aluminum pipe, electronical grooving machine, level instrument. Insert the aluminum pipe into the machine. Use a level instrument to measure the pipe. If it is not on a level line, adjust the rear end support to balance it. Loosen the locating lock. Press the handle to allow the recessed wheel to press against the outer surface of pipe. Adjust the limit nut scale to the desired groove height and lock. Start the power supply. Hold the aluminum pipe with right hand and press the handle slowly and continuously with the left hand to start the groove pipe. When finished, turn off the power, measure and check the diameter of the grooved pipe for conformity.